everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome back to my kitchen. So after my previous recipe where I made a creamy spinach dip with only 3 ingredients, a lot of you were saying that you like those types of recipes and you want more dips. So today I thought I would come up with a recipe for a 3 ingredient queso dip, so a cheese style dip that you can make really quickly, and then you can use this either as a dip with vegetables and crackers and that type of thing, or you could use it on pizza instead of a traditional cheese. You could dollop some of this on top of your pizza. It's absolutely delicious. Or you could even use it on the base of your pizza when you're making that, or mix it through pasta, use it with Mexican dishes. It's so versatile. It's really quick and easy to make, and it's very good for you as well because it's loaded with fiber and lots of delicious plant-based goodness. So what I'm going to start with is a tin of cannellini beans, or you could also use white beans. You could use chickpeas, or if you wanted a really creamy decadent version, use some cashew nuts. So I'll leave the recipe for this below. Give it a try. It's just so quick and easy to make. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes. These give a delicious cheesy flavour to this dip. And they also add a little bit of B12 as well, because the ones that I have, the nutritional yeast flakes that I buy, I make sure that they do have B12 in them, because as a vegan or eating plant-based, B12 is the only vitamin that you're not going to get from your diet. So you do need to supplement that. And what I normally do is actually use a spray as well. So I use that every day, a couple of sprays in my mouth, and I'm good to go for my B12. So what else I'm adding into this is a jar of store-bought salsa. So this adds our saltiness, a nice tomatoey flavor as well. And when it's combined, it's absolutely delicious. So all that's left to do now is give it a blend up. This has got to be the fastest recipe known to mankind. Just so quick and easy to make. And it tastes so good. You wouldn't think that these 3 ingredients combined comes up with something so tasty, and it's so quick and easy. Use it, like I said, even through a pasta. Mix it up and use this as the sauce on your Mexican dishes as a dip. Oh, it's so versatile and so yummy. Give this recipe a try and come on over to my Facebook group. I'd love to see your photos of this, and comment below if you give it a try. If you make this, let me know what you think. So if you love 3 ingredient recipes as much as I do, very simple cooking that's tasty and delicious and will have you in and out of the kitchen very quickly, I've left a link down below to my 3 ingredient cookbook, which has a version of this in there as well with the cashew nuts. I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Happy cooking, and let's get eating. Bye for now.